Climate change is real and it's happening. See, this assignment has three basic questions. The first one is, what are the climate-related challenges around you? Now, there are several climate-related challenges in my area. These natural resources face severe limitations, which are further aggravated due to climate change and currently are under serious threat. After that, about 77% of my region's landscape is arid or semi-arid. 54% of this area is prone to droughts, which affect at least 18 of the 33 districts of my state. Then, due to unequal distribution of rainfall, the state's water resources are limited and quickly depleting. Added to this stress, the demand for water is constantly growing due to the increase in population, urbanization, industrialization, and rising income of people. Urbanization is also a major problem, a challenge which needs to be tackled immediately. With an increase in the number of people immigrating from villages and other cities, a number of problems arise such as garbage disposal, waste management, diseases, and industrial and vehicular pollution. The next part is, what types of action can make a difference? So, as a policymaker, I would design and implement policies aimed at reducing greenhouse gas emissions, keep a very close eye on the proper implementation of those policies, and take action against those not following them. Then I would ban the use of all forms of single-use plastics in my region. Then I would ensure that all the commercial establishments are environmentally certified. Then I would invest government funds for research and developmental projects. All these research which would help in environmental upgradation. Then create environmental awareness so that the message of environmental sustainability spreads across. As an active citizen and as an active and concerned resident, I would do my part to reduce greenhouse gases, right? So my part could include use of CFL bulbs or energy efficient appliances, clean energy, etc. Then I would follow all the government rules and regulations, laws, policies, etc. Then I would conduct environmental workshops and awareness campaigns within my community. Then I would also myself behave and pro-environmentally, and I would lead by example so as to inspire others to do the same. Now, who needs to act on climate? Everyone. Everyone needs to act on climate change. Climate change and its related impacts does not spare anyone. If the current business as usual scenario goes on, then it is going to affect everyone involved. Therefore, all of us, including kids, government officials, tourists, CEOs and directors, workers, students, general public, and everyone else needs to be involved in climate change mitigation activities. Each of us has a role to play, and if we play our role properly, we can beat climate change very soon. I would like to end with the slogan: climate change is the greatest threat to our existence in our short history on this planet. Nobody is going to buy their way out of its effects. So let's save our planet. Thank you.